Next topic is related to checks. All those configuration, all those scenarios which we have to face or do for the check, for making the check payments. How we do it? Let's dive into its configuration first. Okay, T code is FCH1 and path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new. Where are my specs? Okay, financial accounting new, ARAP, business transactions, outgoing payment, automatic outgoing payments, and payment media. Oh, it is so difficult to remember all these paths for any new configuration. And next is should be check management. Is it? Yes. Okay. You can note down the path. Define number ranges for checks. NCL1 house bank is BOB. Selected from here. Yeah. Account ID BOB C1 BOB C1. Okay. Click on change and create. Why don't I see the option display check lots? Yes, lot number. Okay, so it is kind of like when the people from bank issues the checkbooks, so they kind of maintain a range, like could be starting for example could be starting from 15 range, 16 range. So in their technicality they have given it a lot number. Okay, I don't know if I'm able to explain this properly or not, but yeah, there is a kind of lot number for the checks assigned by the bank, just for the reporting purpose and just so it is organized. And what it could be, it is also written on checkbook, you can check this. And let's okay, one check number. Let's say the number that is written on your checkbook is 1, and how many number of checks are there in your checkbook. So each page has a number written on it, and so what are those? We have to add, add that range here from 2. So let's see, 1 2 1 200 1200 20 1200. I have 15 checks, 3 5. Next, purchase date, the date on which checkbook is issued to you. That's it. Okay. And you can save it. Let me just note it down as well. Check lots. And F0 L0. Okay. Check FCH1 FCH1 for define number ranges for checks. Fine. Next is, see, if you have noticed, when I saved this format, there was no TR generated. Okay, so that means an end user can also do this work. Next one is how to do manual payment from check. What it means, normally जो पेमेंट होती है चेक के थ्रू, वो चीज़ हम एससीपी में कैसे बताएंगे कि ये पेमेंट हमने चेक से की है। तो हमारा जो चेक नंबर होता है उस चीज़ को हम एससीपी में यहाँ पे ये जो हम बैकएंड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कर रहे हैं उसके थ्रू चेक नंबर को यहाँ पे हम लिंक कर देते हैं। ठीक है, तो वो रिपोर्टिंग में इजी हो जाता है, दिख जाता है दैट दिस पेमेंट हैज़ बीन मेड फ्रॉम द चेक. So okay, the whole reason why we are doing this configuration for the check, just to show this that these payments have been made from the check. Next one is, okay, so for this we have to link that path is AP SAP reference IMG financial accounting loan APAR. It is not here, sorry about it. It's here on the end user screen. Accounting financial AP environment check information check change design create FCH5. Oh, here it is, FCH5 manual checks. Payment document number. Okay, let me check if I have any paid invoices slash O FEL1N. Check line item display. Company selected, all items. I do have KZ is the document type for payment. So let me know bank. Through which bank? I want to check through which bank this payment is made. Outgoing bank account. I think it is the SBI. Outgoing bank. Okay. For some reason, I didn't check mark this one relevant to cash flow. So when I'll do the configuration for the check through this GL, then I'll get some kind of error. So what I'll do, I'll just maybe create an invoice. Okay, I have these many open invoices. I'll make payment for one of them from the Bank of Baroda bank GL. Okay, which one I want to make? Let's see this one, 80k F-53 to make the payment. Damn. F-53. company code is documented 16. Going bank account. Which vendor you are making the payment? Which vendor it was? Let me see. It takes so much time even to open a new screen. This vendor it is 7100. Okay, 7100 it is. And additional document number. Process over. पूरा बाहर नहीं आना था भाई. Outgoing. Value rate is mandatory here because I have selected C005 field status group amount. Okay, though so not a standard item should be 0. I'm not explaining it here. It is 0 now. Payment is done. Document 1500013. No. Refresh it. Okay. KZ. I want to copy this document. Copy the number. I can copy from it. Okay. Fiscal year. Check number. Need to select check number from the range that you have made. What? Paying company code, house bank account ID, check number. What mistake am I making? Check number. Okay. What was it? नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे, चेक नंबर एंटर, पेमेंट डेट, अमाउंट, करेंसी, पेमेंट डेट, अमाउंट, करेंसी, सेव, चेक NCI1 BOB क्रिएटेड मैन्युअली। ठीक है, यहाँ से हमने उस वाली जो पेमेंट थी उसको इस डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर के साथ लिंक कर दिया है। ठीक है, पहले डिस्प्ले करके देखते हैं। डिस्प्ले के लिए जैसे हमारी लाइन आइटम डिस्प्ले होती है बेयर बनर, ऐसी चेक के लिए होती है FCHN। लेट मी नोट दिस डाउन, CH। FCHN। Select your house and account ID. You can have multiple account IDs, right? Execute. This is encashment slash void, amount paid, check number from, it is showing here check number, payment, that is KZ, amount paid. Okay, next is renumber. Okay, this was the basic for the check payment. We have to make the check payment, okay, to the vendor, and how we can link that payment to a check in SAP. This was the whole process. Now there are multiple scenarios. Let's say for XYZ reason the check that I gave to the vendor, um, you know, it cannot be cashed for any reason, like uh, check void, check thrown, it was destroyed or anything. So we have to issue the check again. But in SAP we have already issued a check. Hmm. And a check has already been used digitally though, but a number has already been assigned to that check. Now we have to renumber that check number. See, this is the check number here. We have to renumber it, uh, give the another number for this, because we are giving same payment to the vendor, but using a different check for 80K only. How can we do this? Okay, this was create. Now you have to go to this FCH4 renumber. FCH4. Check number, checks to be postponed. What was it? 200 120020. New check number will be the next 120021. Void reason code. You have to give some reason. Okay, let's say destroyed, unusable. Enter. Yes. Renumbered from Fine. Let's check it. FCHN, FCHN. Okay, number has been reaching. Check number from 120020, 120021. Payment. Here is the reason voided by this user. Reason destroyed or unusable, and there is a new entry. This is first scenario. Now let's talk about second scenario, that is unused checks. Come back on this screen. So FCH3, there is no option for unused check. FCHN, FCH1, CH5. Unused check. Next scenario is cancelled payment. In this, the whole entry will be reverse. Okay, so for this decode is FCH8, and let's take this document number only for 80,000 KZ हाउस बैंक चेक नंबर हमारा क्या था 200 120021 हमारा रीजन कोड हम क्यों चेक पे टू बी रिवर्स सपोज आपके बैंक में उतना फंड नहीं है और वेंडर ने चेक डाला होगा बैंक में और वो बाउंस हो गया तो इस केस में पूरी एंट्री रिवर्स होगी चेक भी नया इशू करना पड़ेगा चेक बाउंस reverse in current period click on cancel payment cancelled reverse document this अब इसका impact देख रहे हैं तो कहाँ जाना है FBL बनाएं to see this impact we need to go to line item display T code is FBL बनाएं refresh it E document type is turned into KA there is another KA is for reverse document type and now we again have this vendor in our open line item that we need to make payment with this vendor KR with this number 90 okay so the number range for reverse document type is starting from 17 okay and one more thing अगर आपका चेक पास हो जाता है तो उसके बाद उसकी एंट्री रिवर्स नहीं की जा सकती रीज़न इज़ वेरी ऑब्वियस पेमेंट हो चुका है वेंडर भी बैंक को क्या बोलता है चेक एंड कैश करा चुका है and how can we reverse that entry it is going to be in the system only so we cannot reverse the entry when the check is passed or encashed इस केस में हमारी एक there is one month end activity to update the encashment date the date on which vendor has cashed the check where you can see this line item display for check slash FCHN function is not possible and see everyone BOP. Where is the date? Encashment void. Now the entry that we have reversed, we need to again link, make the payment first, then link that payment with the check number here in SAP. And we have to follow the entire process from the beginning. I hope these scenarios are clear to you and to me. Okay. Because this is a new topic for me and I need to practice or recall these things.